Question number 7. They have given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Now you know that cot theta is equal to, this is inverse of tan, which is nothing but adjacent side by opposite side. That is what I have shown in the diagram there. When you are considering this angle to be theta, so adjacent side, that is the side lying next to that angle, is 7 and opposite side is going to be 8. So we have to find sin theta and cos theta first, then substitute and find the answer. To find the other ratios, first we have to find all the three sides of the triangle. We have, in that diagram, we have shown that angle B is equal to 90 degree. So using Pythagoras theorem, you have AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared. Substituting the values, we are going to find AC. Now let us find AC. Your AB value is 8. So we have 8 squared plus 7 squared, that is 64 plus 49, which is 113. So AC is going to be square root of 113 units. Now we have found the hypotenuse side. Now we are going to find what is sin theta and what is cos theta. You know that sin theta is given by sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So we are going to have sin theta is equal to, you can see that when you consider that angle theta, opposite side is AB and hypotenuse side is AC. So we are going to get sin theta is equal to AB is 8, then AC is root of 113. Now we have found sin theta. Next we are going to find cos theta. Next, you know that cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is, in this diagram we have cos theta is equal to, you can see that your adjacent side is BC by your hypotenuse, that is AC. That is going to give you cos theta is equal to 7 by root of 113. Now we have found both sin theta and cos theta. So we are going to find the question which is given here. The question given is, we have to find 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This is of the form A plus B into A minus B. The denominator also is of the form A plus B into A minus B. So that can be written as A squared minus B squared by, this can be written as A squared minus B squared. So we are going to substitute the values there. We are going to have 1 minus sin theta is 8 by root of 113 the whole square divided by 1 minus 7 by root of 113 the whole square. So that is going to be, so this is what we had, 1 minus 8 by root of 13 the whole square by 1 minus 7 by root of 113 the whole square. That will become 1 minus 8 squared is 64. So we will have 64 by, when you square root 13, it will become 113. The square root will get cancelled by 1 minus 7 squared is 49. 49 by 113. So when you take LCM, the LCM is going to be 113 for what is there in the numerator. So it is going to be 1 into 113, that is 113 minus 64 by 113 divided by, again the LCM is 113 minus 49 by 113. That is nothing but you will have 113 minus 64 is 49 by 113 divided by 64 by 113. Now when you take this to the numerator, you will have 49 by 113. When you take this to the numerator, it will become upside down, so you will have 113 by 64. You can cancel 113 and 113. So the final answer is going to be 49 by 64. This is the answer for the first subdivision. Second subdivision, they are asking us to find cot squared theta. That is nothing but cot theta the whole square. They have given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So we are going to have 7 by 8 the whole square. That is, our answer is going to be 7 squared is 49, 8 squared is 64. So 49 by 64 is the answer.